Once we get to the system for the pool, we're going to start at the same place that we started at the pool, and that's the suction side. We have valves that control flow from the skimmer and the main drain. We always want one of these open at all times. You never want to close both of them while the system is running. You could deadhead the pump and burn up the motor. Any time that you turn these valves, you want to go kind of slow. You don't want to just slam them open. You could cavitate the pump or induce a large air bubble that could damage the impeller. These valves are pinned so that they can only go a certain way. That's what the pins are for, just to stop them from flowing all the way backwards. Like I was saying, as far as emptying the skimmer basket, you may want to turn off the skimmer before you pull the basket out. That way, if there is a lot of debris or leaves in there, as you pull the basket out, they don't overflow and get sucked into the plumbing. The off tab denotes that the valve is off. And we'll just open it back up when you're done emptying the basket, and it's back to normal operation. On this particular pool, we have what's called a well point. It's a series of pipes or a pipe underneath the pool to pull groundwater out. If you were to see what we call liner float, which is a large air bubble or water bubble underneath the liner of the pool, we highly recommend call us and we will take care of it for you. This homeowner has removed the valve off of their well point so that it cannot be accidentally opened. If it were to be opened right now while the system is running in its current mode, filter mode, it's going to pull that groundwater from underneath the pool and put it back into the pool. And what we want to do is close off the main drain and skimmer when the pump is off, open the main drain, set the filter to waste, and remove that water without putting it back into the pool. But again, we can't stress enough, if you do get liner float, call the office, let us know, and we'll get a plan worked out for you. From there, we go to the filter pump basket. This is another item that you'll find on your own pool as you get to know it, how often you need to empty it. The easiest way is to just look in the glass dome and see if there's a lot of debris. To open it, you're going to turn off the system, whether through your Easy Touch or on the back of your pump if you don't have automation. Once the system is off, you're going to open the lid. You can use a rubber mallet if it's a little hard for you. There is an O-ring here. We just want to check and make sure that there's no debris. Sometimes something as small as this could create an air leak and allow air into the pump. Once you take the lid off, pull the basket out and you can empty it out. It is directional, so you want to line it up with the plumbing when you put it back in, as well as the notch and tab that's in the pump itself. Put it back in, seal the lid down, and start the pump back up.